Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Pisces water sign. This is mid-month reading, July. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past, Pisces. So your recent past. Four of Pentacles, the Sun and Knight of Swords. I think your person is not expressing their feelings to you in past, but later I think they are expressed their feelings to you. I think you both are in happy relationship right now because the Sun card and Knight of Swords. I think your person is in hurry right now in past. Definitely it is very good. Very good past. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Pisces. Oh. See here, Hierophant. Ten of Swords. I think your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. At sign could be, it could be any sign. Nine of Pentacles. I think your person want to offer this commitment to you. Some cycles are going to be end. Ten of Swords and Nine of Pentacles. I think your person feeling like very independent, I think this time, because due to some reasons I think your person feeling very independent, but they want to commit to you. If you don't commit to them, they are happy and independent. I think these vibes I am getting right now from these cards. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. One person is very independent in this connection. They have emotions for you, but they are independent also. So let's see the near future actions. Playfulness, Page of Wands, Knight of Wands, sorry, and exhaustion, Nine of Wands. Lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Moment to moments, Two of Pentacles. I think they are talking to you very playfully, but there is some exertion because Nine of Wands, Two of Pentacles. I think they are struggling between two things, you and their career, whatever, but there is some exertion. 9 to 10 here, 9 here. Definitely there are some issues between both of you. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Wow, Wheel of Fortune. See here, definitely things are turning in your favor, or the problems which are in this connection are going to be resolved. Rebirth. Wow, definitely this connection has lot of potential. Definitely. Nine of Pentacles, happiness and conditioning. Yes, some devil energy. One person is very dominating in this connection. That is the issue, because exhaustion. One person feeling very exhausted. So you have to save your relationship. I think it is you, Pisces. You have to leave this devil energy because your person feeling very exhausted due to this devil energy. So once you leave this energy, definitely there is a chance for rebirth to this connection. Unless your person feeling they will gone and they will feel very independent and happy. So this is up to you. Definitely your person want to commit to you. There is commitment also. They love you, but it is in your hands, those who are in devil energy. So definitely things are turning. Wheel of Fortune is here, rebirth is here. So it's up to you. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.